In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put bullet points side by side in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted a clean two-column layout for a bulleted list, perfect for checklists, agendas, or compact summaries, this method will get you there quickly and cleanly using Google Docs built-in tools. Start by opening your Google Doc. Make sure your bulleted list is already created the way you want it, including the bullet style and any sub-bullets. It's important that your list is contiguous with no blank paragraphs you don't intend to include. Next, highlight the bulleted items you want to place side by side. Drag from the first bullet to the last bullet so the entire list is selected. If you miss a line or include extra text, the columns feature may apply in places you don't expect, so take a moment to get the selection right. With your list highlighted, go to the top menu and choose Format, then Columns. This is the key. Applying columns to a selection will split only that highlighted portion, not the entire document. In the columns options, select the two-column layout. You'll immediately see your selection prepared to flow across two columns within the same page. Once the two-column layout is set, your list might still be flowing entirely in the first column depending on its length. Place your cursor at the exact point where you want the second column to begin, typically after the last bullet you want on the left. Now go to Insert in the top menu, choose Break, and then select Column Break. That tells Google Docs to send the following bullets to the next column, giving you a clean left and right set of bullet points. You now have bulleted points side by side. Scan through the list to make sure the bullets align and wrap the way you expect. If a long line looks cramped, consider shortening the text or adjusting your page margins before you started. If sub-bullets wrap oddly, use the increase or decrease indent buttons to fine-tune their placement. Remember, the column break is just a marker. If you place it in the wrong spot, delete it or move your cursor and insert it again. And if columns accidentally affected more than you intended, undo is your friend, and you can reselect just the list. That's all there is to it. Highlight the list, apply two columns, and insert a column break where you want the split. With this approach, you'll get a tidy, professional, side-by-side bulleted layout in minutes.